Hello students, this is CBSE 9th Standard Political Science Chapter 1. What is democracy? Why democracy? So through this chapter we are going to understand why many countries are opting for democratic form of government and why this kind of government is better than other forms of government. Okay, we start by asking why do we need to define democracy? So there is a discussion going on in class as to why we need to define the word democracy. Can't we just understand its meaning? So here the teacher says that the definition is important because the word democracy is understood or perceived differently by different people. Okay? The teacher also emphasizes on the fact that we need to arrive at the definition of democracy by thinking it ourselves. We should not accept something just because it is famous or it is said by somebody famous. For example, Abraham Lincoln defined democracy as a government of the people, by the people, for the people. Okay? The teacher also says that the definition of the word cannot be understood merely by looking at the word of its origin. Okay, now for example, the word computer, okay, it used to mean the process of computing or calculation of different or difficult mathematical sums. But today we see the word computer, it means we use it for writing, designing, listening, music, etc. So the meaning of the word computer is not what it used to be. Okay, and same thing is true with the word democracy. So we should think about the meaning of the word and then evolve at a definition. Broadly speaking, what is democracy? Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Here we need to distinguish between democratic government, okay, and which pretends to be one. They are two different types of government. For example, the army rulers of Myanmar were not elected by the people. Similarly, dictators of Pinochet, which is in Chile, are not elected by the people. Also, the kings of Saudi Arabia who rule, okay, they are not chosen by people. They rule because they are born into royal family. So here they are pretending to be a democratic government because these governments are not chosen. Okay, the rulers are not chosen by the people.